This is how you play the A minor chord on your guitar. It sounds like this. So the first finger will go on the second string on the first fret, and your second finger will go on the fourth string of your second fret, and your third finger will go on the third string of the second fret. So first finger will go on the second string of the first fret, and the second finger will go on the fourth string of the second fret, and the third finger will go on the third string of the second fret. This is how it sounds. So the top string, which is the sixth string, it will be mute. You don't have to play that string. Just fifth and on down. So there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.